You hurt me when you made me feel invisible. I want to be a troll, but not if you're going to ignore me. Why did you ignore me?
That's easy. We wanted to scare Oolies, just me and Humblebluff.
You're no good at scaring Oolies, so we ignored you.
That wasn't a nice thing to do.
How would you know? You're not a troll.
Glumpf, do you really want to be an honorary Oolie? Come with us.
We'll let you scare Oolies with us, even if you're rotten at it.
How about I share my treats with you if you help me practice my boos?
Deal.
Yeah.
Yay!
Rotten.
Make your voice a little deeper.
Boo!
Better.
Boo!
Better.